Every time we start with an idea, the patient is at the forefront of our thoughts. That was what we started with 20 years ago, and it's the exact same today. The CCRG was built very much around mirroring what happens in the clinical ICU. So ICU is not just about doctors, it's not just about nurses, it's not just about engineers, it's about a whole group of people that come together as a perfect football team.
CCRG brings together groups of clinician scientists, preclinical scientists, bioengineers, and experts in translational science.
They're not only doing theoretical research, they're doing clinical research, and they're leading that field for the ICU and critical care setting.
There are 4 pillars of the critical care research group. The science translational group, where the cellular work happens. There's the engineering lab, the ISA lab, and this is where we work on devices such as bionic hearts, ECMO, bionic lungs. Then we have the clinical lab, and that's basically all the patient care. And then we have the preclinical lab. We make models of critical illness and then trial new treatments for it.
From sepsis to acute respiratory distress syndrome through to heart transplant, CCRG has the most advanced preclinical models anywhere in the world.
We also have a strong collaboration with consumers, so former patients and family members, which I think is a key thing because everything we do is designed around their needs and how we can improve their outcomes, and we can't really do that unless you talk to them.
Our everyday focus at ISA Lab is to improve patient outcomes by applying technical and engineering expertise on mechanical, circulatory and respiratory support devices.
Over 20 years, I've worked in preclinical research on 3 continents, and nowhere I've seen a setting like the preclinical innovative medical engineer laboratory, the Prime Lab.
Basic science and translational research these days is very difficult. It needs a team of dedicated people, and it's the only way that we can get results that can be translated into improvement in patient care and outcomes.
The purpose of STAR Lab is to improve patient outcome, particularly for patients in the ICU, where a lot of them are suffering with organ failure. So one of the key purposes of STAR Lab is to better understand the interaction between patients and the device that keep them alive.
I've worked at a lot of institutions where you're very isolated, you work on very sort of small, very niche kind of stuff. STAR Lab, we're working across a really big team.
STAR Lab is unique in its position. Embedded with CCRG's preclinical research and our science translation, you could say that we are the interpreters between the scientists, clinicians, and engineers.
The research we undertake at CCRG has the impact to change patient outcomes and the way that patients interact with the healthcare system at large, not just here in Australia, but globally.
Step inside and you'll hear countless languages, see ideas collide, and watch tomorrow breakthroughs take shape in real time.
We come from so many different backgrounds, but we all have the same goal, to improve patients' outcomes.
I'm excited to be working with CCRG's world-leading team and see where this next chapter of research takes us.
And thanks also to the foundation and the people that have sponsored us, because without their petrol, we can't drive that research car.
La ricerca di oggi.
Today's research.
Tomorrow's treatment.
共に届ける未来の医療。
Delivered together.